Hey, let me show you what to do if you cannot connect Redmi Buds 6 Pro into your device. So first of all, I will definitely start from turning off Bluetooth on your phone. So go into the Bluetooth settings and simply switch them off, or for example, by using quick settings. And right now, you will have to go into your earbuds and you will have to place both of them inside this charging case. You have to open this cover and now you will have to click and hold this button. So click and hold it, and first of all, take a look, it will start blinking quickly. But when you keep holding this button a little bit longer, it will slow down like this. And now, if it goes back to the quick blinking, release this button. Keep that case open with the both earbuds inside, and you can try to turn on Bluetooth back. And then simply try to pair your device. So wait until it will be available right here on the pairing list. If it is still not working, then you can simply close this case, just wait for a few seconds, and then you can repeat. So you can open the case, wait until this indicator starts blinking, or you can enter for the pairing mode by holding this button. And as you can see right now, they are here. But if it is still not working, then issue might be actually linked into your phone, not into your earbuds. So I can recommend you to go into the settings of your phone and input this phrase, reset. And you have to search for reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So right now, you have to simply be sure that you reset the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and then try to again enter for the pairing mode and connect your earbuds.